Hello lovelies, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the town of sport, La Nucia, a gorgeous town located in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you a new project which comprises of 11 detached villas. This beautiful project is modern, it is contemporary, it is offering villas that are on a plot of between 480 and 642 square meters. The villa itself is 342 square meters. It offers 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, it's distributed on 3 floors and, well, in a beautiful spot right here in the sun. So let's get started, shall we? This is the private street that the residents that have the villas on this street can quite easily access. As you can see at the moment, they are going through the construction process, and depending on sales, the project, as it being quite a small one of only 11 villas, they will be looking to complete within the next 2 years. So what you will find as well is this particular residential area that these villas occupy will also have a gated community that will also have 24-hour surveillance for the comfort of the residents and their own private concierge. For this, there will be a small community fee, but we will confirm that later on in our description. Hello. Taking you in from the pedestrian entrance, just off the private street that we've come from, I'm taking you along the beautiful pathway that leads to the front door. But this is a splendid entry to come into the home. They have decorated it here with gorgeous exotic plants and trees, giving it an intimate and shaded feel as you enter. This is the front door, and this is where you would enter the home. I'm going to now show you, though, the grounds of the property. After all, the plot is actually quite spacious. As you can see, that they have bordered all of the external areas of the space really gorgeously with gorgeous trees that are tall and big. But as you can see, it's a very contemporary and stylish architectural design for the home. Right here where I'm stood is the parking space. You would enter comfortably with your vehicle through electric gates, and you would quite happily park multiple vehicles. You can also see on the wall that there is an electric car charger that does also come with the home. And then it leads you to where you can actually directly from your entrance enter through to the living spaces that are outdoor for the family to enjoy. Right here I'm overlooking a swimming pool. This swimming pool is 40 square meters, and as you can see on one side you have the stairs that lead down. It gives you fountain on one side, a deeper end, as well as jets to give you a jacuzzi experience. For the comfort of the swimmers, you also have right here an outdoor shower. But what I really like about this property is this vast space that you can enjoy. Mediterranean, gorgeous climate all year round. You have here a lounging spot, which is a great extension of your living room from the interior. And then you also have here a separate sun lounging area. Over here underneath this industrial style kind of pergola system they've got this great dining area which is currently set to dine 6, but as you can see you have plenty of space for an even bigger space for your family. You also have patio doors here that give you direct access from the other living areas of the home. So going round, the gardens border the property, and I'm taking you along the pathway some more, so you get to see as we enter the front of the home, and it leads us really nicely once again to the front door entrance. Hello. As I come in through the front door of the main entrance, you are met with a spacious and light-filled hallway. This space is indicative of architectural design as being contemporary, but really warm, earthy and elemental tones that give you a gorgeous, relaxing experience as you enter. And so as you can see, overlooking the front door is this very large window, giving you beautiful views of your English patio below, but also of your gardens. So here at the entrance, there's quite a few things also to point out. Right on this wall here, you will see it's got your air conditioning system, your alarm system, and also your intercom system. You will also find that the specifications of the home are great, as there are switches everywhere which enable you access to things. On this side, you will find this is the elevator. For an additional cost, you can have one installed to be able to navigate easily floor to floor. So now I'm going to take you into the expanse of your ground floor living space, the heart of the home. This is your open plan kitchen, living room and dining room. The space is 46 square meters and the ceiling height is 2.6 meters. Over here I'm stood in the middle of the heart, right in front of a large table. This dining table is set to dine 6, and on both sides I'm overlooking lots of light too, with large windows that illuminate the space, and also this great fixture above the table. On this side you find this is where your kitchen begins, and there are a lot of storage cabinetry on this side behind this wooden facade. I do actually really love the carpentry because it gives you that lovely warm feel with the modern fixtures. Now I'm coming into the kitchen. The kitchen is an open plan feel with an American style central island. On one side you do have a breakfast bar, but you do have also lots of cabinetry below, giving you extra storage. Within the central island itself, you have your cooking hob. Above in the ceiling, you have your extractor. You also have your counters underneath, as well as on this side, a continuation of that. Here would be the kitchen sink. You have more cabinetry, as well as your hidden dishwasher. On this side is your oven and your microwave, and it also comes with a double freezer and refrigerator, all nicely hidden. Your cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling, and on this side, for the convenience of the family, you also even have a patio door that leads very easily to the gardens and also to the drive where the car may be parked. So if you have groceries, it's great for the family. On this side, you have a continuation of your cabinets, and I do like the accent LED lighting underneath. Going across the way, across this dining space, I'm now going to take you into the living room. This living room is warm and spacious. The furniture in this home really does complement really beautifully the design. And you have very large patio doors here that open out completely and give you full integration of your outdoor living spaces. So coming from the living room, I'm going back towards the entry hall of the home, taking you over the way, and for ease, this would be your guest bathroom. The guest bathroom has the warm wooden and elemental tones with the colour palette they have chosen and is fully equipped. Now taking you along the hall some more, I'm now going to show you where you would find in all floors, this is your laundry chamber. So what would happen here is it's a chute. You put your laundry in here, it goes to the basement, to your laundry room, and makes that so much easier for a family. And then I'm going to take you into the first bedroom on this floor. This bedroom is currently being used as an office, which shows how adaptable it can be as a space. It offers 17 square meters. On one side, you have patio doors that lead out onto the terrace, and you also have integrated wardrobes. Taking you up the stairs to the first floor. This floor has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. Along the hall, I'm going to take you to the first bedroom. This bedroom has a similar interior feel. It is light and bright. It is 15 square meters. On one side, you have a large window that gives you views of the mountains as well as of your gardens below. And on the other side, you also have your integrated wardrobes. Now, with all of the rooms, the specifications are fantastic. You have plenty of power points, you have access for TV and internet, LED lighting and air conditioning throughout. Across the way, you will find that this is the main bathroom that serves this floor, and that is again fully equipped. And then taking you out of the main bathroom, along the hall, you will see that this is a door that leads to a private balcony, giving you great views again of your gardens. Opposite, you also have a stairwell that leads to the solarium. Taking you along this hall is leading us now to the next bedroom, which is the third bedroom. This bedroom is 17 square meters. It is again light and bright. On one side, you have windows that let in plenty of natural light and views of the surrounding landscape. And then on the other side, you have your integrated wardrobes. What's really nice about this bedroom as well is it comes with its own moody ensuite bathroom, which is fully equipped. All of the bathrooms in this home have underfloor heating. Taking you across the hall some more, and I'm now going to take you into the primary suite. The primary suite is 27 square meters, and I love the separation they have decided to go for with the interior design of having the ensuite separate. You have here a spacious ensuite bathroom which is fully equipped and overlooking your integrated wardrobes. This also acts as a really nice elemental wall as you come around it and enter the rest of the master bedroom. The bedroom is really lovely in the sense that you have a continuation of the wooden carpentry right across, which also gives you an extension of your integrated wardrobes, as well as those patio doors that let in plenty of light, spellbinding views, and access to your own private terrace. There you can sit and enjoy the peace and serenity of where we are. In the hallway, you will also find is the solarium's access. So we're going up the stairs to the upper floor, and this gives you an additional living area for the family to enjoy on a higher level. Here you can really get a sense of where we are. We are overlooking on one side beautiful pine forests as well as those beautiful mountains as well. But then on this side, we get to enjoy the splendid views of Albion not too far away, the Mediterranean Sea, and even the skyline of Benidorm on the right. What you also find as well up here on the solarium is that you can see that there is another specification that is included with the villa. They've installed solar panels so that they can keep the home as sustainable as possible. Coming down the stairs to the basement, and to my left you will see that there is a storage room, but it's also a very large space, perfect as the laundry room. Here in this floor you will find that the laundry chute actually comes down into this spot. This is where you would have your washing machine and your tumble dryer. For convenience, you also have a sink and also cabinetry on one side for storage. Then taking you across the way, it then leads into what is a self-contained apartment. So as we're coming into the basement, the ceiling height is the same, it's 2.6 meters almost, like the rest of the home. I love the illumination of light that comes into this basement as it just feels like another level, but you can see that it comprises of an open plan, living, dining and kitchen. This is an optional extra in relation to the finishes that this house has when it comes to the basement, as it does have the additional kitchen. But you can see that it is fully functioning in the sense that it has electric hob, sink, extractor and cabinets. You have a dining space that gives you a dining space for 6 very easily. This is great because you have a door here that leads to a patio and also the stairwell that takes you up onto the drive where the cars are parked. And then you have a lovely, gorgeous Art Deco, I dare say, inspired living room. This living room overlooks large glass windows where they have decided to integrate an English patio garden that you can enjoy all year round. On this level, for convenience as well, you have its own fully equipped bathroom with its moody masculine tone. And then next to that, you also have your technical room. As I said before, with the elevator, you can also access it on all floors, and that does also include the basement. Now taking you across the way, and this would be the 5th bedroom in this case. As it is an optional extra, it's giving you a gorgeous space that can be used as a bedroom or even another recreational or multi-purpose room for the family. You have windows as well that let in plenty of natural light. The bedroom also has integrated wardrobes and a storage room there for extra possible options for the family. Just 7 minutes driving away from the detached villas we showed you, you can find yourself on this beautiful beach and promenade right here in the centre of Benidorm. Where we are located is in the heart of the old town, El Casco Antiguo. And as you can see, on a day like today, being the 12th of February, it is a very busy day. It's sunny, it's bright, and people are having a good old pass by. So yes, do come visit. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is between 1,500 and 2,000 euros per year. The community fee is a small fee. It has not been confirmed as yet, as they are early in the construction process. However, the community fee is just to maintain the private street and also the gated community with a concierge. Now, the refuse is 150 euros per year. As you can see, this is a fantastic blend of modern, contemporary and traditional comfort. You have great gardens on the outside, wonderful living spaces on the inside, and can I just say that the views that surround the home are also quite beautiful. La Nucia offers a lot for any type of person and any type of family. You have great access to lots of recreational facilities and services, as well as golf. You have great towns to explore, like Altea, Albia, and Benidorm not too far away. And also Alicante Airport is only 45 minutes away. So if you like this property and like to know more, please do check out our listing, which is on Spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we will see you next time. Hasta pronto.